Hi everyone, it's Caitlyn here. So today is What's New Wednesday, and I'm going to be talking to you guys a little bit about this PINCHme box. So this PINCHme is a free online service that lets members try lifestyle products from leading brands in exchange for their feedback. You know, boxes are 100% free, there's no credit card required, and shipping is free too. They have over 4 million members across the US and social community with over 2.5 million followers. What could be better than getting a free box of free products to try out just in exchange for your reviews in the video? Like, that's freaking amazing. So in my box, I got some Nexcare wet bandaids. I got the Biore charcoal micellar water. I got Biore baking soda micellar water. I also got this Dove exfoliating body polish, which is crushed macadamia nut and rice milk. Next, I have Skittles Sweet Heat for that sweet tooth, but I gave these to my husband because he loves hot foods and he has a pretty sweet tooth, so that is for him. Last but not least, I've got eva-nye hair products. So one is a therapy hair mask, the next is a dry shampoo, and the other is a hair repair oil. This is everything that came in my PINCHme box for me to show you guys what I got and review. If you guys would like to check out the website and sign up for PINCHme, all of that information will be in the description bar down below for you guys to follow that link, sign up for it, and get amazing free products. Really hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, share, favorite, and subscribe to my channel to watch more of moi. And turn on the notifications so you don't miss any uploads. We'll see you next time. Bye!